Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, dear students. Do you know what you see now in the screen? Yes! Welcome to the playground. So, in today's English class, we are going to talk about the playground. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready! Let's go! First, let us recite before studying doa. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Allahumma aftah 'alaina hikmatak wanshur 'alaina min khazaini rahmatik ya arhamar rahimin. Rabbi zidni ilman warzuqni fahman. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri. Allahumma anfa'na bima 'allamtana wa 'allimna ma yanfa'una wa zidna 'ilman nafi'an.
Amin. Okay, let's move on to our lesson. Well, this is the picture of another playground. In today's topic, we are going to learn about first, name of objects in a playground. Second, ask and answer the question, what do or does the subject play? And the third is what to do in a playground. Let's begin the first part. Objects in a playground. Do you know what this is? This is a slide. How about this one? It's a seesaw. Next. What about this one? You must know this. This is a trampoline. Well done. And this one is? Yes, this one here. It's a swing. What about this one here? Have you seen this one? This is a sandbox. Oh, you must have played this one here. It is a kite, yes. What about this one? A ball, of course. And this one? It's a basketball. What about these ones? These are jump ropes, yes. Colorful jump ropes. How about this one here? It's a hopscotch. Yes, a hopscotch. Have you ever played one? I hope you do. It's a fun game. How about this one here? It's a hula hoop. Yes. What about these ones? They are marbles. Yes. And this is a scooter. Well done. How about this one? It has a Spider-Man picture on it. It's a skateboard. And these are roller blades. Well done, students. You know most of them. That's awesome. Now let's guess the object's name. What is this? It's a slide, yes. And what about this one here? It's a trampoline. And here, what is it? A sandbox. Well done. Now take a look at this picture. What are the objects do you see now? First, we see a seesaw here. And then we also see a swing here. And there is also a slide. Yes, this one is a slide. Well done on finishing guessing their names. Now the next part is part 2. We are going to learn how to ask and answer questions such as what does she play and what do they play? Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready! So, before we learn about how to ask the question or how to give the answer, first, we will refresh our mind about these 3 subjects. They are you, they, means 2 persons or more, and we, means I and the other person or persons. So, you is, yes, you, your partner in talking. Meanwhile, Aini, this one here, plus Raka, here, equals they. So, if you want to say Aini and Raka together, you have to refer to them as they. Okay? Meanwhile, if I, Miss Kansa, plus another person, Miss Alika, equals we. So if I want to mention about I, myself, and the other person, we revert to we. Yes, we will say it as we. I hope you do understand. If you don't, just repeat the video, okay? Okay, next. Now the question. How to ask the question? Well, the question is supposed to be this. What do subjects play? In this case, what do you play? If you ask your partner in talking, or what do they play, or what do we play? Okay, one more time. What do you play? What do they play? And what do we play? It's easy, right? Okay, how about the answer, miss? Well, it's also easy. If the subject is playing on a swing, let's take it as an example. It will be, I play on a swing. Or, they play on a swing. Or, we play on a swing. One more time. I play on a swing. They play on a swing. Or, we play on a swing. Depending to what is the subject. Okay, let's practice. You see, this is James. And this is his sister. James asks his sister, "What do we play?" And his sister will answer, "We play on a trampoline." One more example. This is Charles. Yes, and this is his friend. I ask you, what do they play? And you will answer, they play on a seesaw. Okay, they play on a seesaw. Well done. Okay, the next is for the subject, he and she. This is Raka. You refer to him as he because he is a boy, a male. So you refer to him as he. And this is Aini. You refer to her as she because she is a girl or a female. Okay? And the question will be, what does he play? You see the difference from the one from before is this word here. What does he play? Instead of what do he play? So if the subject is he, we add an es in here. So the correct question is, what does he play? Or if the subject is a she, what does she play? Okay? One more time. What does he play? Or what does she play? And how to answer that question? If one more time they play on a swing, whether the girl or the boy, we will answer, he plays. He plays. You see there is an S here because it's a he. He plays on a swing. Or she plays on a swing. One more time. He plays on a swing or she plays on a swing. Okay. Take a look at this example. This is Ken. What does he play? He plays on a swing. Well done. And how about Laura here? What does she play? She plays on a slide. Yes. Great job, students. Now, we will start to move on to part 3. What to do in a playground. Activities in a playground. If the subject is either I, they, or we, then we will say, I play on a swing, a seesaw, a slide, or a trampoline. Yes, so for these 4 objects, we use on a. Why? Because you either sit or stand on these objects. So, it's I play on a swing, or they play on a swing, or we play on a swing. So, it's for seesaw, slide, and trampoline. I play on a seesaw. They play on a seesaw if they are playing this, or we play on a seesaw. Okay, how about the other objects? If the object is something that's rather small, and you don't have to either stand or sit on it, we can just say, I play basketball. So I play basketball. After the word play, you immediately mention the object, okay? Or they play jump rope. Or we play hopscotch. Or we play skateboard. What about this picture here? They play basketball. Yes, you're correct. They play basketball. Okay, let's take a look at the example for the subject they. Means two persons or more. Mark and his friend, you see this is Mark, and his friends play basketball. How about this one? Adam and Joshua play ball. Yes. How about this one here? John and Sarah play hula hoop. How about this one here? Nurul and her friends play jump rope. And this one? Ahmad and Abdul play marbles. Yes. How about this one here? Yosef and Tara play in the sandbox. Yes. They play in the sandbox. What if the subject is either he or she? Well, we are going to use place for the subject he or she. So, if the subject is a boy or a male, we say he plays basketball. If the subject is a girl or a female, we say she plays basketball. So instead of play, we add an S here. He plays and she plays. And then the objects. He and she. What if the subject is playing on a swing, a seesaw, a slide, or a trampoline? Well, we add on a in the sentence. So, he plays on a seesaw or she plays on a slide. And the same is also used for the other objects in here. Now let's take a look at this picture. This is Bagas. Bagas plays hopscotch. Yes. How about this one? This is Nathan. Nathan plays rollerblade. Well done. How about this one here? Anthony plays hula hoop. And this one here? Olive plays kite. Yes. Okay, the next ones. Sam plays scooter. Yes. That is a scooter. And this one here is a picture of our child athlete in skateboarding. Her name is Nimas. So, we say it as Nimas plays skateboard. Yes, Nimas plays skateboard. And how about this one here? It's a hopscotch. So we say it as Sarah plays hopscotch. Wonderful, everyone. Good job. The class is finished. Well done on watching the video until the end, students. Let us close today's lesson by saying Hamdalah. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. All praise is due to Allah, the God of the universe. And thank you. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.